Okay, so this is your Flash tutorials, and what Flash is, it's created by Adobe Systems. So what you can use it for is just to make simple applications and upload them to the internet. Enhances the way that the look and feel of your application. So that's basically what Flash is. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to start a new project, and I'm just going to show you around what Flash is. So you click on Flash project, it should already be selected, and click OK. And then you can name your project, so we're going to name it BT4KS3. And the root folder is going to be the folder where all the files are going to be saved to do with this project. So we're going to find the folder that we made within here. So I've made a Flash folder as well. So you click OK, and these are just the details of your files. So you create the project, and once it's saved, click OK if that comes up, and then if you click this little button here, it'll just hide it, and it just shows you the files within that folder. Right, so now that you've got your first project on the go, I'll just show you around this screen here. This is your timeline, so that's going to show each layer, and these are your layers. So you can just create another layer by clicking new layer. You can delete layers, and you can create folders of layers. And what your layers do is they contain frames, and your frames are what make up your video. So once you do export a video or a movie, that's what your frames are doing. So each frame is going to be within your movie, and that's these little things here. So these are all your little frames. And over here is your properties panel. So that'll just show you all the details about the file itself and the size. So you can change the size to 500 if you want, and that changed over there. So that's your properties panel. It'll come in handy if you need to change the size of your stage. And this is your stage area. That's what we call it, is your stage. So if I ever do say stage within the next tutorials, I'm referring to this. And within your properties, you've got your library. So what you can actually do here, instead of going file, import, picture into your stage, you can just store the file here, and whenever you need that file, you can just drag and drop it onto your stage. So it does save you a lot of time and effort. So I would take use of that. You don't have to, but it's recommended. Any pictures, anything like that, you keep in your library. And one of the most important features that you'll be using is the toolbar, and that's located on the side over here. And that you can just draw. You can draw things. You can do what you want. Now it's got a brush tool, so do that. And you'll notice it does actually change. It's not very blocky. So we'll just do a stick man here. BT4KS3. And that's one of the features of your toolbar. So there you have it. That's your first tutorial on Flash CS5. And in the next one we'll be going through what a motion tween is. And in the future we'll be going through different tweening features. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.